Here is an example of what can happen on the farm when any animals are mating and breeding. This occasional mortality. This is one I just pulled out. A litter was born this morning or last night, and I wasn't there, and this one went unnoticed by the mother. Didn't break out of its sack. So this is it's a shame. A beautiful little piglet, but it happens. She had plenty of piglets. This one is a little boy, but it gives you a good look at this stage when they are first born. Cute little thing. The hooves have the gelatinous ends on them so that they don't tear the inside of the mama during the pregnancy or the birth. I don't know if you can see that. It's just a little gelatinous material on the ends of the hooves that dries out after birth and falls off. There you go. Now liberated from the sack.